I choose.
So you can say it. So why don't you say that?
I said.
No, you try to say that.
You have another mind. It was you have forget all the words.
No, I haven't forget my words. I say that. What is your father? First, I say to you. You say my father is my father.
No. Didn't you are a liar. First you say minute. What are you?
No, what are you? I am talking about.
So please say that. Second question, I say that.
I'm not talking about second and first question. I'm saying that first I said not first question. I'm talking about.
My leader is loser.
Your leader is not loser. You are not understanding.
I'm
So listen to me. Listen.
Our words are another one word and this place and you put it in another place.
I'm not putting it.
I didn't understand your words.
I first ask you. I'm not saying that. I ask you first question. Listen it carefully. First, I ask.
Carefully listen.
So why?
Eamon, just give her space to talk.
No.
Because you don't understand.
How to talk.
At first, I'm not saying about first question, okay? So don't say about the first question.
Okay. Please.
What is your father? So you say my father is my father. So I ask again, what is your father?
One question. First, you said that you are talking about homework, and why are you and this time why are you talking about symbol?
I'm not talking about symbol.
What is mean of symbol? You say. Then you are understand. You have no any. Then you just learn. It didn't mean you didn't know the word of me.
You listen to me. You say me that you won't say the word symbol. So in my all discussion, I don't say the word symbol, and you are saying that you say symbol. So what nonsense is this?
No. What does symbol mean?
Symbol mean if someone has.
Give me an Urdu.
I will first ask from sir.
Sir, she said symbol meaning in Urdu.
Yes.
Symbol लगता है कि नाच दे यो
No,
बंदा.
I said it. Just symbol have just one meaning. They have no any a lot of Pashto. You didn't.
I think you don't know that.
Sir, poya kavalta sir.
Understand.
You didn't understand me. I understand. I question for you that give me an Urdu symbol meaning.
I want to tell you one thing. I think you
Didn't go to another.
Don't go to.
Don't go to another.
I'm just asking you one question. You have forgotten that sir had said that one word had many meanings, and you're saying that one word has just one meaning. And
Sir didn't say.
what?
Sir, don't say.
Don't say lies. Sir had said this.
Okay, sir has said it. Sir, what say? And speak in Urdu. Just.
I'm saying to you.
A lot of words that meaning have a lot of meaning.
Yes.
That one is the